Okay, so today we are going to discuss the bioenergetics new topic, which would be chloroplast. We discussed the basic introduction. I remember here we got like how the bioenergetic process begins, energy, solar power, chemical energy, these all. We discussed that. Today we are going with the bioenergetics. So chloroplast, first thing that the okay, so first thing that the chloroplast is the pigment ochre. Chloroplast is photosynthetic pigment. Photosynthetic pigment, I'm not writing complete spelling. Photosynthetic pigment. Then chloroplast is the double membrane organelle and mitochondria as well, as we discussed this in the cell and its structure chapter, where we discussed the chloroplast and mitochondria are the organelle which are double membrane, and they are found like they have their own DNA and these all ribosome. So yes, this double membrane photosynthetic pigment, wherever you see this word, you need to make a rough idea in your mind that wherever you see photosynthetic pigment, this means that all work would be done in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight. Okay, just because sunlight will be absorbed. Sunlight would be absorbed. Sunlight would be absorbed and they will form glucose. As you know, plants make their food by their own. So chloroplast is a pigment which help them to absorb sunlight from the sun. What will that sunlight do? The sunlight will help them to make the glucose, and that is also the part of their daily life, just because they need to if they wanna survive, so they need to make their own food, just because they are not dependent on any other source. But if we talk about human being, we are dependent on like the plants or the animals. So by like the plant need to make their food by their own. Okay, so yes, when like the sunlight would be absorbed, like this sunlight would be also converted or form into solar energy. Solar energy is simply wherever you see the stored form. So solar energy is simply like the stored form of solar energy. As you have seen, like we do say solar light is going on. We don't have light electricity at home, but our fan AC is working by the solar, we do say, usually we do say. So solar energy is also like that, because they absorb, and when sunlight is absorbed and they have it for a little time, they can absorb. So the solar energy is then converted into chemical energy. Chemical energy. And as I just told you that the mitochondria and DNA, they are the like old or the primitive, not primitive, but exactly they both we have the theory of evolution. What does that exactly says? Theory of evolution. Theory of evolution says that the chloroplast and mitochondria and chloroplast, these both were bacteria first. Like they both were bacteria before. So this means eukaryotic are prokaryotic, or the eukaryotic are derived from the prokaryotic. And if the ribosome, like 70S is the prokaryotic and 80S is the eukaryotic.